Today we're going to learn how to make a medical appointment and how to change it. Let's start.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment with Dr. Perry.
Okay, and what's your name, please?
My name is Alice Smile.
Okay, Alice. What's the reason of making an appointment?
Well, I have fever, headache, runny nose, and cough.
Oh, sorry to hear that. The doctor is fully booked at the morning, but there is a slot available at 3 p.m. today. Does it work for you?
That sounds perfect.
All right, I will pencil you in then.
Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. See you at 3 p.m. Bye bye for now.
Bye.